Hey guys, welcome back to MS Word tutorial series. Today we are going to add image in MS Word. So for that, click on the Insert menu tab, go to the Picture section, click the drop down, and if you're selecting the photos, you can click the photo browser, but since I'm selecting a picture from one of my file, I'm going to click Picture from File. So you can select the folder you have. So as of now, I have kept it on desktop inside images. So let's select the Mario picture. Here you go. We have a Mario picture. Let's resize the picture a little bit, a bit more so that it will be visible in one page. Yeah, here you go. Now let's add some text in front of the image. So for that, let's double click the image. So as soon as we double click, the picture format opens and go to the wrap text, click the drop down and click behind text. This will make sure that the text is in front of the image. And as you can see here, whenever I click it, the cursor blinks. It's a little visible over here, around here. So let's me take my text color as red. Let's change some styles of the text. So I selected the text. Let's make it Algerian and let's clear some gap from here. So as you can see here, it looks nice. And if you can also increase the text depending on your need, looks perfect. Hey guys, please feel free to comment down below on what you want to learn in the next video series. And please like, subscribe, and keep loving your change. See you in the next